Hey guys, today we gonna talk about Sony Xperia XA2, the improved screen resolution, larger battery, latest software, and addition of a fingerprint scanner means the XA2 is well equipped. If it inherits the price tag of its predecessor, it will be a handset to keep an eye on. The good is they have fingerprint scanner, strong camera, and big battery, and the bad about it is thicker, heavier than predecessor and tired design. That never changed. The Sony Xperia XA2 is a new mid-range smartphone offering some flagship features at a lower price point to the top-end Xperia XZ range. Arriving alongside the bigger Xperia XA2 Ultra and cheaper Xperia L2 at CES 2018, the Sony Xperia XA2 features a 5.2-inch Full HD display, Snapdragon 630 chipset, 3GB of RAM, 32GB of storage, 8-megapixel front camera, and a 23-megapixel rear camera. It replaces 2017's Xperia XA1, which offered a great photography experience for an affordable price point, and the Xperia XA2 is looking to build on that with a bigger, higher-resolution display, more power under the hood, and the addition of a fingerprint scanner. The Sony Xperia XA2 release date is set for February, but there's currently no word on price. We expect the XA2 to sport a price tag that will see it go up against the likes of the Honor 7X and Moto G5S Plus. In the UK, we already know it will be stocked by 3/02. We'll update this hands-on review as soon as we know more about the cost. In terms of look, the Xperia XA2 doesn't deviate from Sony's tried and tested design language, which includes chunky bezels above and below the display, and a relatively bland square shape. It's not all bad news, as the bezels above and below the screen here have been reduced compared to its predecessor, with the total height of the handset reduced even though it packs a bigger display. Sony has upgraded the screen on its latest XA handset, with the Xperia XA2 boasting a Full HD 1080p resolution across 5.2 inches. It means you get a colorful, bright and clear display on a handset which is unlikely to break the $300 mark, making it a highly attractive option. About the camera, there's a high-end snapper on the back of the Sony Xperia XA2 with a 23-megapixel sensor which slightly protrudes from the plastic rear, while the camera itself is the same as the one found on the XA1. It has some new tricks thanks to the inclusion of Qualcomm's Snapdragon 630 chip. The chip means the Xperia XA2 can capture 4K video, and it also improves the camera's low-light capabilities. The Sony Xperia XA2 is a promising affordable smartphone with plenty of features to shout about. The improved screen resolution, larger battery, latest software, and the addition of a fingerprint scanner means it's well equipped. And if it can inherit the price tag of its predecessor, it could be a handset to keep an eye on.